Hey y'all, it's Pink with the Heat, and today I'll be doing the polygel set on my nails. So first I grab the tool, and then I get the base gel, and I just go ahead and put the base gel on my nails. After putting them on my nails, I just go ahead and put them in the LED light, and then I get some alcohol and pour it into a little cup. I then get the polygel and place it on this, I don't know what this tool is called, guys, but yeah, the little tool, dip it in some of the alcohol, and I go ahead and start putting them in the little form thingies, the nail formers. You want to make sure you get everything off of that side of it, and then you go ahead, if you need to, you can add some more of the polygel on there if it's not enough. You want to make sure you get a good amount so it's not too thin, and just rub it on. Next, you want to dip the brush side into the alcohol. You use the brush to kind of form like the shape that you want, like for it to be like a smooth shape. You want to make sure you get it all on the edges, because sometimes the edges tend to be a little bit clear, and if it's clear, then the nail will easily break. So once you're done, you go ahead and put it on your fingernail, and you just push it down. Try not to push too hard so it doesn't like come off on the edges, but if it does come off on the edges, it's fine. You just go ahead and wipe them off, and you go ahead and put it under the LED light. Once you take it out, you go ahead and wiggle it off until it pops right off. And that's my first nail. After that, I just went ahead and continued doing the rest of my nails on both hands, making sure that the polygel is put in the formers correctly. This part takes a while because you really want to make sure that it's smooth and it's not like rigid or rough or anything like that. So that was my first hand. Now I'm going to go ahead and file it into the shape that I wanted. I decided I wanted kind of like a coffin kind of shape, and you just file the edges off, and that is the final look. But not yet, we're not done. So I bought some rhinestones from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what those look like. I ended up using kind of like a medium size for most of my nails. So I put the nail glue on there, and I just put a little bit on there so it's not really super runny. And this part was difficult for me because this wax pencil thingy was like not, I don't think it's used to really place it like into the shape that you want it to be at. It's really just to grab the rhinestone. So I think I'm gonna have to get another tool. I'm not sure what it's called yet, but I will do some research on it. But I made it work, and I got them into the area I wanted it to be. I just kind of did like by my cuticle. Then when I was done, I went ahead and put the top coat on all of the nails, and the top coat helps seal the rhinestones on because you don't want the rhinestones moving. The glue sometimes isn't strong enough to hold it forever, or for at least a long time. So I went ahead and did that. So for the border line on the ring finger, the border rhinestone look that I had, I used smaller rhinestones, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I did it a little bit. Got it on the tips, and that was my final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.